When the cryptocurrency markets are up, your portfolio's doing well, you feel on top of the world. But what about when the market goes on a downtrend, your portfolio isn't doing well, maybe you've got family members or friends saying, oh, I told you those cryptocurrencies were a scam. Oh, what are you doing? Well, I'm going to share with you 3 simple strategies to be able to navigate the highs and lows of the crypto ocean. I'm Joanna Garzilli. This is Crypto Angel Network. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, for liking and commenting. Let me share my screen. Crypto trading mindset, 3 steps to stay strong in a Bitcoin and altcoin downtrend. And I want to thank you for joining me on my crypto journey. I would love to hear from you in the comments as to how you came to crypto, what led you to this space. And just know that if you get some type of reply that says, contact me on WhatsApp, I'm going to give you investing strategies, those are scammers. I would never do that. You will only have a personal reply from me, okay? Let me just move on here and show you how I came into the space. But what led me to it is actually I have been writing for 25 years and a spiritual coach. I wrote an award-winning book with HarperCollins called Big Miracles, The 11 Spiritual Rules for Ultimate Success. And part of that journey, I actually came to cryptocurrency back at the end of 2017, was ready to launch Crypto Angel Network, got all the logo, everything done. And then I didn't understand. I didn't have the mindset. I didn't have the resilience at that point to go into the space. It was much harder than anything that I had dealt with before. It would be another 3 years until I was ready. I was on the show Laker Girls, the season premiere for season 2. And I learned a lot from this because I never studied choreographed dance and I totally bombed it. And I felt really, really ashamed, but I also felt really alive. It was a great learning experience for me, not being an expert at something and taking that risk to put myself out there and make a total fool of myself. And that is how I feel with cryptocurrency. I'm back in that cycle again. I have a beginner's mind. I'm just showing up. But I've also been able to use some of my spiritual tools from my journey to be able to apply them to having a successful crypto portfolio. I also wrote Unleash the Psychic in You, How to Trust Your Intuition for Success. And I do apply some of the techniques from intuition to be able to be successful in my portfolio. Now, I do not just rely on my intuition. I also do due diligence and technical analysis too. My favorite person for technical analysis is Crypto. And so here I am now, right? It's like a meditation for me when I look at the screen and I see all the numbers going. I just absolutely love it. How do you feel about when you're making that trade? What is that experience from you? I would love to hear from you in the comments. So why is it vital to have a strong crypto trading mindset? 3 steps to a strong crypto mindset in a Bitcoin and altcoin downtrend. There's these 3 things, and I'm going to go into them with more details. You might want to have a pad and pen to hand to write this down. Number 1, you need to have a clear vision. Number 2, you need to be in tune with your emotional scale. And number 3, you have to have self-leadership. And I'm going to give you some very specific exercises that are easy to do that can be in your crypto toolbox. Why? Why do you need this? It is so important to avoid making impulsive decisions. You don't want to be buying at the top because of FOMO. And you don't want to be panic selling because of fear. Fear that you're going to lose everything. So these are questions to ask yourself. And you can go from the high level, top level view and then the daily view. So from your big level perspective at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of the month, you want to keep checking in and ask yourself, what are your big crypto goals? And that is really going to be important for you, because when the markets do hit a downtrend, when there is uncertainty, when there is negative press, when you do have a friend, a co-worker, a relative say to you, what are you doing? Are you crazy to be in this space? You want to be able to come back to that true north. And that is your why of why you are in crypto. And then you want to ask yourself, what are your daily crypto goals? Is it building a strong portfolio? Is it day trading? Is it connecting with other people in the community? Is it developing software within the space and moving Web3 and DeFi forward? It's important to be able to have that daily checklist. And then you're going to look both at your big goals and your daily goals. What's really important is that you write those down. That also means that you clear your mind. So as you clear your mind, the second step here is knowing how you feel. How do you feel when the market and your trades are up? It's really important that you understand what's happening with your energy, because when you know how you feel, you can better control your emotions and you can think rationally. That's absolutely critical when you're making decisions around trading, especially when the market is moving very, very fast. And then the second question to ask yourself is, when the market is down and your trades are down, what do you feel? How do you feel then? I know for myself, I have this sinking feeling, even if my life's going well, even if the portfolio is still up, I go through this, oh gosh, I can just hear a loved one saying, I told you so, you shouldn't be in this space. And it's just this feeling. So the action I say to you is write out your feelings to recognize your emotional triggers. If you know your emotional triggers, you're not going to make an impulsive move. You're not going to buy at the top and you're not going to sell at the bottom. And awareness is the key, because that leads to better trades and a more profitable crypto portfolio. What I want you to do is ask yourself at the end of your day, what is something that went well today? What did I do well in terms of your crypto actions? And then when you have a day when things aren't so good, you can go and look at that. You can remind yourself of that positive thing that turned out well. It's important to acknowledge your success to strengthen your mind. And that is how you're going to become a better crypto investor and a better crypto day trader. Thank you for being here with me. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment at Crypto Angel Network. I really appreciate it. And you can also connect with me on Twitter, on Instagram, at CryptoAngelNet, at Joanna Garzilli. You can also visit cryptoangel.network. And my other site, joannagarzilli.com. My books are available on Amazon, and I so appreciate getting to be here with you. So thank you again, and I'm sending you lots and lots of love.